Welcome. In front of me is Insta360 Studio PC application, and in this video I will show you how to export video to Instagram using this program. So to begin, let's start a new project. Let's select a ratio. For Instagram videos, we'd want to select either 9:16 ratio or 2:1 if you want to create a panoramic video. To begin, I'll show you the flat version of the video, how to create a flat version of the video for Instagram. So I'll name this project flat, and this is the only option we have to change here. So the frame rate can stay, performance too. Click confirm. Let's add some video, for example. Put it on a timeline. And now let's select a small part of the video that will be exported. Oh, for example, this part. Let's select an angle for the video, like this. And before we export a video, make sure that the FlowState stabilization is enabled for better quality. You can also select direction lock, so that the video will be locked in the same direction all the time, but it's optional. Now FlowState stabilization is pretty much required for this kind of videos. Now I also strongly suggest that you use color plus function in order to make colors look more presentable and the video overall. And once you're ready and happy with the result, let's click export. And in this exported video, let's first select the resolution. So whether you want to have a full HD, 2K or 4K video, you can select one of these options. I'll go with full HD video. The frame rate can stay the same. Now the bitrate, the recommended bitrate for an Instagram video is something in between 100 and 200 megabits per second. Let's go with the 150. Now choose an encoding format. The encoding format, the one I would recommend is H.264 because it's more universal. It's a default codec for MP4 files. The 265 has better compression, but it's also not supported in some cases, so it's safer to go with H.264. You can also select remove grain if you want your video to be smoother. And once you're ready, select export and wait for the video to be exported. It might take a while. And so once the video is exported, and let's go ahead and check the result. Here's our panoramic video, and here's how it looks like. Now, I guess my PC isn't strong enough to process it properly, but generally that's what you're looking for. So that's how you create both flat and panoramic videos for your Instagram channel. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Let us know about it in the comments, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.